soon as I can stop smiling, I'll start talking. Right guys, so gorgeous sunny day in rural Sussex in the UK. I'm sat out in the garden in the afternoon. Got the umbrella up and there's a slight breeze and it's heaven basically. Just want to show you the garden, right? What the garden looks like if you don't look after it after only one winter and one spring, right? Check this out. As you can see, almost every crack in the concrete has got something growing in it. There's my foot, it's not growing in the concrete. I pulled up a load of grass yesterday. So what happens is the grass extends itself and extends its roots over the concrete and makes its own topsoil basically, so the grass will completely cover the concrete eventually. This is just not even 1 year of the grass not being cut. I reckon in between 10 and 100 years all this concrete would be completely covered. Anyway, look at all these different grasses and plants that are growing. Got daisies. Got that type of grass. Got that type of grass. Got that type of grass. Bushes are all overgrown. Some lovely little blue flowers there. That's a giant thistle. So I have to wear gloves to pull that out. The old chairs we don't sit in anymore. This is just one winter and one spring, and the garden is rewilding basically. There's brambles coming through, honeysuckle. This grass here I'm not sure what it is, it might be wild barley. But the house next door that way is called Barley Cottage, so that might be why. Anyway, sorry about the iPhone footage. So that's what we're doing basically, we're rewilding the garden. Well, we're not actually, it's because it hasn't been cut for a while. The back garden had a gardener used to come round once a month and cut it, and he doesn't do it anymore, so looks like I'm going to have to do it. Check out how tall this grass is, it's got ridiculous, look at this. It's like chest height. So the little job has been given to me to sort the garden out. But I'm not doing it today because it's such a nice day and it's so hot. So I'm just going to sit here in the garden, drink my tea and have a lovely day. That's my little video. Thanks for watching. Lovely. Cheers.